What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to my channel. On this week's episode, we're doing something with the 370Z. Actually, in fact, we're doing something futuristic with the 370Z. Let's go. And before I get in too deep with this video, shout out to Rick for showing me this beautiful infotainment. 13.6 inches. It's amazing. Honestly, I was gonna go in a different route, but I was stunned with the capability and how beautiful it is, how seamless it is. God, it's beautiful, guys. And I believe this is bigger than my dad's 2021 Ford F-150X screen. It's amazing. Sorry, Dad. Got the biggest. The thing that we're installing today is made by All Car Auto. All AU Car Auto. They make these 13.6 inches Tesla screens for 370Z, and I believe there's other screens for different makes and models. I'm not too sure. I haven't really checked. And no, this is not universal. This is very, very well made for, you know, the 370Z. It doesn't matter if you have a base or if you have the Nismo or the tech package and whatnot. I actually don't have a clue what they are. This is by far the best customer tech support I've ever had in my life. I felt like I was in a club, you know? Like, I bought it, I'm in this group chat, and yeah, they're very responsive too. So if you have any problems, you know, and honestly, they constantly update this thing.
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
So you know what, enough chatter for now. Let's just do an unboxing. Let me show you how it's installed in my setup, and then we'll talk about it later on, okay? The contents of the package are the following: instruction booklet that covers both types of dashboards, a SIM card adapter for the 4G feature, and a bag full of harnesses. Note: this installation is for the base 370Z with Type 1 dashboard, aftermarket rear view camera, and an aftermarket amp and sub sound system. I recommend removing the negative terminal of your battery since it involves wiring. You obviously need to remove the center console. I've featured this deconstruction multiple times in my channel, so I'll link you to a detailed video of it in the description below, but here's the gist of how to disassemble it. You'll need to reuse the center console trim minus the cubby. To remove the cubby, remove 4 screws. Install the head unit using the 4 screws. Take the CAN bus module from the OEM head unit bracket. Now this is the daunting part. I will only discuss the ones I needed. This is the main harness that connects everything between the head unit and the car. This is the aftermarket sound system harness. This is for the USB cable. and the aftermarket aux camera harness for my rear view camera. These are the supplied antennas. This is for your GPS and to be installed in the center of your dash without any metal obstructing over it. And this one's a 4G antenna and to be installed on both sides of your dash. Great thing about the harness is it's foolproof. Each ports are different and will only take appropriate input. For the reverse camera, you will need to tap this wire from the main harness to your camera's reverse signal wire. And the green RCA connector from the harness to your camera's RCA connector. Install the main harness antenna connector to your car's OEM antenna connector. The GPS is installed on the right coax plug. The radio cable is plugged into the far right plug. Now connecting the aftermarket sub and amp RCA plugs into the auxiliary harness. Connecting the main head unit harness to the car. Also, do not forget to connect the AC 10-pin plug from the head unit's main harness to the car. And this ground wire is required to boot the unit, so I'll be using this top screw inside the dashboard. I hope I plugged everything back. I hooked up the battery to do a test, the very first test. And I have this one hanging out just because. All right, let's go on. Ooh, it turns on. It's a slow boot. I have this on because I don't want this smacking on the new screen.
Welcome, Master.
Yo, it works! Ooh, it's very responsive. Yep. Since it's Android, this is very familiar to me. Brightness, backlight off. Ooh. Yo! What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to another 370Z video. On this one, we have a front lip for my V2 Nismo front bumper. Watch it. So, yo! Yeah! Yes! Once you've got your hands on these puppies, you can reach out to their customer support and they'll give you the appropriate software update if needed. You can do the software update by simply having a flash drive with the update and install it from your head unit. So, wait, look at this, okay? Park lights, dark mode, ambient lighting is on point, and you can change the color for these ones, but look, like, it's so sleek. Honestly, I would like a theme. I would make a theme for this if they would let me. It's very minimalistic. It's not too complicated. If you know Android UI, this is not too far from it. You have everything you kind of need. You have your Chrome, you have Maps, Gmail, even Netflix is pre-installed. You can go to Play Store and download, the apps that you need for your car. For example, for Acutech, for your bags management system. So much stuff that you can do with this. So I'm really excited on what I can hopefully do with this. Look at that. You can change it. Even it's so dynamic that you can change. You can press this and it'll show you what's happening. You can turn it off, turn it back on. Fan all the way, and I believe you can change the temperature with this dial. This is basically volume, so for your passenger as well. You have the touchscreen version of these buttons, so cool, pretty neat. There's so much to unpack on this, and I can't wait to make more content out of this. Honestly, so excited. One question you might have is, Eric, does it support your steering wheel buttons? Let's see. Bro, it does. You don't have to buy third-party stuff for this, man. Like, honestly, Source, boom. You got your AM, FM radio, you have your media player. I'm not sure what this would be. You know, it's pretty freaking neat. I'm so excited. It's running on Android 11. I think we're on Android 13 right now, but it's not too far from, you know, the technology. It's not falling behind, so that's really good. It's funny because I haven't even tried the reverse. Does it work? Oh yes, baby, it works. It's amazing. Wow. Takes a little while though, but we can work on that. We can work on that. I'm really looking forward to what hopefully I can do with this Tesla screen. God, it's not a Tesla screen. It's just a tablet instead of like your head unit, you know? I'll do more reviews out of this. I'll do more content, hopefully, on how to make, you know, how to customize this, what you can use this for, you know, create use cases out of it. So yeah, if you like this video and this screen, leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Go down there, hit the subscribe button, and then the bell so you get notified when I'll be releasing new videos. You can follow me at its.ericvenzen on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks.